Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you love smelling amazing all day but feel like your perfume fades too fast, today's video is for you. I'm sharing the most effective before perfume tips, simple things you can do before spraying to make your fragrance last 10x longer. Let's get into it. Tip 1. Start with the shower. The very first rule is always apply perfume on clean, damp skin. Fragrance lasts longer when your skin is freshly washed because there's no sweat, dirt, or oil blocking the scent. After a shower, your pores are open and your skin holds onto the fragrance much better. So, if you want maximum longevity, apply your perfume right after bathing. Tip 2. Moisturize first. Dry skin absorbs perfume quickly and makes it disappear faster. That's why moisturizing is a must. Use a non-scented moisturizer or a matching lotion from the same fragrance line. Hydrated skin locks in scent molecules and releases them slowly throughout the day. This one step alone can double your perfume's lasting power. Tip 3. Apply a Vaseline layer. Here's a secret hack. Rub a tiny bit of Vaseline or any petroleum jelly on your pulse points. Then spray your perfume on top. Vaseline acts like a fragrance magnet. It holds the perfume in place and makes it last much longer without changing the scent. Tip 4. Know your pulse points. Perfume performs best on warm areas of your body. These are wrist, neck, behind the ears, elbow folds, behind the knees. These spots naturally radiate heat, helping the perfume project better and last longer. Spray lightly, don't rub your wrists together because rubbing breaks down the perfume molecules. Tip 5. Choose the right perfume type. Before applying, make sure you're using the right perfume concentration. EDT's eau de toilette lasts around 3 to 5 hours, while EDP's eau de parfum can last 6 to 10 hours. If longevity is your goal, always go for EDP or perfume concentrations. They have stronger oils and stay longer on the skin. Tip 6. Layer your scents. If your perfume comes with a matching body wash, lotion, or misuse them, layering the same scent increases its richness and makes it last way longer. Even if you don't have a matching set, you can layer with neutral scents like vanilla or coconut to build a long-lasting base. Tip 7. Spray on clothes with caution. Perfume sticks to fabric better than skin. So lightly spray on your clothes, scarf, or hijab. But be careful not to spray on delicate fabrics like silk. Also, clothing scent lasts even after you leave a room. That's why it's a great trick for all-day freshness. Tip 8. Store your perfume properly. Before spraying, make sure your perfume hasn't been damaged. Heat and sunlight break down perfume oils. Always store your bottles in a cool, dark place, never in direct sunlight or your car. This keeps the scent powerful and long-lasting. And that's it. These simple before perfume tips will help you smell amazing all day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fragrance tips.